This tutorial shows you how to set up and adjust your device's storage manager for automatic cleanup. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Storage to open your storage overview. After that, tap on Storage Manager. From there, toggle Storage Manager on to enable automatic cleanup. At this point, tap on Storage Manager again to open its settings. In the next step, choose how often you want it to remove backed up photos and videos, such as after 30, 60, or 90 days. Following this, go back to Storage and tap on Smart Cleanup. Once done, let it scan and reorganize your files and folders for more efficient storage. From here, go back to the storage overview and tap Free Up Space. At this stage, tap Clean to detect and remove temporary files, cookies, and cache automatically. After this, tap Clean under Internal if you want to review and remove specific files by classification. Once completed, confirm your selections to apply the cleanup. Finally, go back to Storage to check that your available space has updated. Keep in mind, Storage Manager only removes photos and videos that have already been backed up, so make sure backup is turned on first. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize your Android Storage Manager, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.